And these are the people who really break the harmony of communities. Why? Because they're selfish by nature. See, people, you can divide them into really four categories of people. You have the first group of people who will assist others, and they will ask others for assistance as well, and that's the vast majority of people, or a large proportion of the people. You have the second, who don't help anybody else, but don't really ask anybody else for help either. So they don't go around asking other people for help, and they're kind of, not the best of people but alhamdulillah, at least they're not, asking others for help. You have the third group of people who will ask other people for help, but never be there for other people unless they have a vested interest. Some of them, even if they have a vested interest, they still won't be there. And these are the people who really break the harmony of communities. Why? Because they're selfish by nature. It's only what they will get in return. Otherwise, and I'm sure we all know a few of these individuals who are always there asking for always asking for help, always, but who are very rarely there for anybody else. And you have the last category of people, is that group of people who are very far and few between, who really never ever ask anybody else for help. Even if they don't have anything, they will be, self-sufficient, reliant, do sabr. But if anybody ever asks them, they will be there for that person. And these are the four categories of people.